I upgraded city, so if you come over here, now the upstairs, it still has the mirror, but we added stairs, and it's open, so you can come up here. It's snowy, but and then here is a bunch of cranes and buildings that aren't set up yet. With more disordered buildings. And we have a ladder, probably add a slide there. Oh, got my controller. Okay, I'm gonna close. Alright. And then we got some rocks with a tree. And then 2 rocks here. Then we have a rock we got stabbed by one of the yellow crystal things. Then we have another one of these, which it looks like these are starting to grow. Wow, this map is getting built again. So that's really all. This map is getting built on, and there's still so many ways to glitch out, but I'm gonna finally finish this map probably on the 29th on December, so that's why I'm probably gonna be posting it on the 30th. So this is all I have for the map, and we still have these blocks right there. Comment down if I should get rid of this map and continue it to be mountains, because I don't know, because this is gonna be Monopolis map, or I could redo it and make it the snow map, mountains, because I do not have mountains currently, which I could make this mountains. I just don't know how I'd make all the slides. So comment down if this should be a Monopolis map or mountains. Okay, I'll give you guys some time to do it. You guys have the time to comment till the 25th, which is on Christmas Day, which I'm pretty sure is in like 5 or 7 days or so. So comment down pretty soon, okay? Anyways, bye.